No matter how much expertise you have in the trade, if you fail to choose the right tool to take on the project, things will be a complete mess. So, in this video, we'll show you the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Dust is an inevitable thing when you're drilling on drywalls. What if you get such a way that removes every speck of dirt while using your drill? Here is the Uncle J automatic dust collector that keeps you and your workplace absolutely dust-free with powerful vacuum absorption. The best part of this tool is it features a rotatable, active double leveling gauge also, so you can complete your leveling tasks more accurately. You don't need to keep any extra tools for that. The Uncle J also has a built-in brush that eliminates all the chances of dust leakages. Distance measuring by the traditional method. Ah, that's so laborious. You better go with this Pilot X12 rangefinder. It's a convenient roller distance meter that accurately measures distances of up to 9,999.9 meters and is ideal for different surfaces, straight, curvy, or hilly terrain. With heavy-duty construction and a rugged wheel, it's suitable for every weather condition. Most importantly, it gets a surprisingly compact size when not in use. Just fold it away and get it packed in a carry bag. Let's not skip the controlling part. You can operate this roller with some easy, simple steps. Are you the kind of person who often messes around with multiple wood carving projects? This means you can't pick an inadequate tool or disc to complete them. That's why Kindle designed this Woodplane milling disc to handle the toughest. This sleek grinder disc is made of quality materials and is great for various grinding tasks like shaping, smoothing, edge chamfering, etc. Hold on, you can complete beveling or debark too. Worried about the maintenance? No problem. You don't have to take that much hassle. Just a regular cleanup, and you'll get ultimate longevity from this Kindle Woodplane. Here's another tool for the woodworking pros. This SKIL finishing sander comes in a compact, handy design and offers great power to deal with different wood smoothing jobs. Surprisingly, it delivers a 25% longer runtime than the regularly available models. In addition, the ergonomically designed grip and low-profile triangle shape lets you get quick access to the tightest spots and sand those areas with needed efficiency. The best part worth mentioning is that this sander features an onboard dust canister that keeps your workspace absolutely clean. Even you won't have to face them at all. It's obvious electricians always need to carry some essential items around the worksite. But instead of fishing around the needed ones, you should keep all your tools near to hand with this Klein's tool belt. It simply gets attached to your hip and allows you to carry all the light to medium tools and accessories with you. Thanks to the multiple reinforced pouches, this belt can hold numerous tools for quick access. No matter how thick or thin, the double-pronged belt offers you the right fit you need. Oh, there's also 4-point hookup that lets you add suspenders. Sometimes you'll need a little extra reach when spraying paints on high ceilings or down low to the surface of a deck. With that in mind, Wagner brought this HVLP extension arm to you. This tool makes your spraying projects easy to do. Even the hardest to reach areas are a no-brainer anymore. It's built to work with all the Wagner high-volume, low-pressure sprayers. It extends up to 23.6 inches in length, meaning you can tackle a wide variety of jobs spending minimal effort and with zero hand strain. This extension arm simply eliminates using a ladder and prevents bending or stooping while painting. Get complete control over your measurement with this T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure. It's a uniquely designed tool with dual screens and is specifically made to meet all the professional's needs. With the OLED display on top, this tape measure shows sharp, accurate measurements. Meanwhile, the e-paper display on the side for demanding job sites. However, the T1 green laser line projection extends the front measuring surface and allows you to align accurately. Wagner Rotary Hammer Drill, a perfect solution for all medium to heavy-duty demolition projects. This hammer drill comes with a sturdy carrying case and includes multiple SDS plus drill bits for a variety of jobs. With an input power of 800 watts, it lets you take on any concrete, up to 26mm concrete, with great confidence. And the impact energy of 2.8 joules never lets you down when going through rough situations. So, just take the Wagner Rotary Hammer Drill in hand and handle the toughest. Pipe pressing tasks are not a cup of tea for everyone, but if you have Hilti's Neuron pipe pressing tool by your side, you can make that as easy as ABC. First things first, it's completely cordless and is fully compatible with leading pipe system suppliers. Surprisingly enough, this pipe press tool takes on almost every job and gets them done in a matter of seconds. It's well balanced for the most convenient handling and has a tough constriction to withstand harsh conditions. No wonder it has a great weight-to-size ratio, meaning you'll be operating with maximum comfort and having optimum control. Keeping your regularly used tool as minimal as possible is surely a savvy choice. This Inco cordless screwdriver comes in a super compact size, yet provides substantial tightening or loosening efficiency for every job. Despite having a minimalistic look, it never compromises on power. The main pro of this tiny guy is it allows you to deal with hiding screws in confined places. Another cool feature of the Inco screwdriver is it has a built-in work light that offers superb illumination for those tight, low-light areas. Hold on, it also features a charge level indicator too. Thus, you'll get constant notifications about how much power is remaining to get the job done. Before starting any wood cutting or laminating project, make sure you clamp them firmly. Meet Grizzly's new Quick Gear clamps. These clamps are designed with ease of use in mind and constructed of quality materials to last a long time, thanks to the sturdy ratcheting lever that maximizes the clamping and minimizes the torque on your hands. You'll get up to 551 pounds of clamp force to hold your hard goods strongly. On top of that, you can choose between 2 throat sizes and 3 lengths and gentle jaw pads. It never leaves a single mark on your materials. Okay, let's talk about the most versatile tool on today's list. No matter whether you're a serious DIYer or a handyman, you'll love this Dremel 8260. This is a smart, cordless rotary tool to handle a variety of regular crafting projects. It comes with a handy design, yet delivers top-class performance. Plus, the standout runtime and cordless convenience will let you complete all the jobs satisfyingly. Not just that, this tool perfectly competes with all the Dremel rotary accessories and attachments. Want to know the most interesting feature? You'll be alerted in real time about overloading and accidents with the Dremel 8260's instant red warning LEDs. Taking out the floor molding without causing damage to your walls isn't as easy as it sounds, but with Goldblatt's modeling remover in hand, it becomes easier. This tool has a larger, flatter, and wider contact area than clumsy traditional tools and also features an included wedged center to provide superior removal efficiency between jobs. On top of that, it has a unique built-in spring design that lets you separate trims from walls quickly. However, the durable pry bar is constructed of quality material and built to last for years and features an ergonomic rubber grip to provide the topmost comfort. Get the quickest way of sweeping and bring a uniform look onto your space with this Karcher S4 twin sweeper. It helps you tackle all the light to medium sweeping tasks, like petals in spring, autumn leaves, or winter grits. This twin sweeper efficiently collects the sweepings in the 20-liter waste hopper while providing excellent results all around your home and garden. With the twin, long-bristled side brushes, it gives you a great sweeping width of 680 millimeters. Meanwhile, you can adjust the push handle to get superior comfort in use. Let's conclude the list with the PEX Pocket Crimper from Superior Tool. It's a small, inexpensive tool that's designed to accommodate a wide range of standard copper PEX rings. And the work process is so easy. First, you have to simply slide a ring over the PEX tube, center the two hubs of the pocket crimper over the ring, and now squeeze the tool with your standard pliers. Just make sure that a single piece of paper can't be slipped between the jaws. Your installation is over. Okay, that was the list of the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.